In this video, I want to show you how to close your Neds account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, in order to do this, what we need to do is open up your Neds app on your mobile device. I have noticed they make it super difficult to close your account, so there's a way to solve this problem. So from here, you're going to be on the home page. Now we want to navigate to where it says more, bottom right hand corner of the page, and then scroll all the way down, and we just need to simply contact or live chat. So you can click on live chat and say, hey, I would like to close my account, and they'll go through the process to closing your account. Or if you want to speak to someone via the phone to close your account, you can do so as well. So there's got a few numbers here. We can call this number here, 24/7 customer support, and say what you need to close your account. Or you can submit a support request today, and generally they'll get back to you within 24 hours. So jot in your first name, last name, email, and then subject, and then in the message line just say, hey, can you please help me close my account? And they'll go ahead and help you with that.